Now in this question, A, B play a dice game using two dice, namely X and Y. The numbers that can come on X is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 7, and the number inscribed on the six faces of Y are 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 8. In each round of the game, each player rolls both the dice simultaneously and record the product of two numbers appearing on the dice on the top of the two dice as the score of the round. In a particular round, the sum of the scores A and B is an even number. Then how many distinct scores A could have in that round? Now there are different cases that we can talk about. Like for sum as the 2 of A for A and B, the possible cases are either both of them will have the odd and odd sum turning out to be, only in that case it will be even, or either both of them have even sum turning out to be, and that sum overall turn out to be even. So these are the two possible cases that we need to look for. And what are the, if I say X, the value of X could be 1, 3, 5 and 7, and for Y the value for odd numbers turns out to be 3 and 5. Now if I look at the product, which are the possible products for X and Y, in this case that is the odd product that A can have, that is 3, 5, 9, 15, 21, 25 and 35. So these are the 5 odd products that A can have. Simultaneously D can have as many products as same products, but the sum will turn out to be even. So A can have 7 values when the sum turns out to be odd. Now let's talk about the second case when A will have the even number, even sum. So for even sum, the value of two dice turns out to be even, and for that, in the first case, in the case of X can take the value as 2 and 4, and in case of Y can take the value as 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, because any number multiplied by an even number will turn out to be an even number. So I took the case when A is taking the X or 4, and then we can calculate the product, the number of cases that could be possible. So the product that we can take is, the start with 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. From there onwards we can have the value as 16 also, 20 also, 24 also. So far we have the 9 possible values, but we haven't considered the opposite case when Y is 2, 4 and 6 and X is any number between 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if we look at the product, the possible values, the further possible values turn out to be 28, 30, 32, 40, 42 and 56. So the total values turns out to be, if we calculate, here there is one value 14 is also that can come over here, and 18 is, as 6 into 3 is 18. So these are the values that can turn up. So there are a total of 17 values over here and 7 values over here. So the total values that A can take is 17 plus 7, that is 24, and that's my answer.